wind in the trees in winter.
Wala nga.
Okay, D-Day! D-Day! Sarado ba? Sarado na, D-Day to. Brad, anong date ngayon? December
6.
Okay ha, para hindi makalimutan. Hindi, alam mo naman ang birthday kung kailan, di ba?
Pumunta pala ako doon sa October 30.
Oh,
Namatay si Reggie 29.
pumunta ka doon ng 30.
One day lang, di ba? Grabe. So, papunta na kami sa Roseville. Tama ba ako, Roseville? Ay, saan ba?
Sacramento.
Ah, okay.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock ang dating natin? Ba,
Tayo eh.
matagal no?
Traffic nga.
Sige, matutulog muna kami. Ayan guys, 23 minutes na lang. Makikita na namin. Ha? Ano, mami? Ready ka na, ha?
Excited ang mama. Puyat ka mamaya, mami. Oo nga. Papadede ka eh.
Kami kahapon, sinasabihan na namin sila Astra, tsaka Wapons, eh.
Babe sila.
Sabi namin, oh, may bagong playmate kayo, ha?
Ilang months pa lang, mas malaki na itong mga...
Oo, ilang masali.
Kaya dapat masimulan na nila Astro na bulihin, eh. para kahit lumaki.
Hindi, turuan ko ng self-defense.
Ready? Ayan, lapit na tayo. Ayan. 2, 3, 4, 8. I think this is the one. Yay! We've arrived. Ready? Ready, ready.
Ayun ang aso.
Going to get Reggie and Nick.
Thank you.
Hi. Ayan.
Kaso galit siya eh.
Hindi.
Ayan si Lina.
Ayun na, maliliit. Ang cute. Hi.
I brought some of my friends
Yeah, hi.
and my wife.
Is it okay if I take some? Yeah, alright. Okay, thank you.
Shy. He's the biggest one, but he's
Hello.
the shy one because they bully him out there.
Yes,
Ayun, that's
Sorry.
the mother is here.
yes.
He's scared.
Saan dyan?
Ha?
Ito ba?
Oh,
Tsaka.
silang tatlo.
Hi, Mom.
It's okay.
Good job. What's her name? Sky. Hello, Sky. Hi, Sky.
Tatlo pala.
10, 11, 24. Yeah. So they're 8 weeks today. Yes.
Nice.
He's super, super duper shy. You hold him, he'll be better if you hold him. He likes the cuddle.
Okay, Mama.
Because earlier I was like trying
Okay,
to cuddle him.
Mama.
First time holding daddy, oh.
He's like a real baby.
It's
Baka mo na ito.
Black collar male. Oh yeah.
We're getting 3.
We're surprised. He just got 2 blankets.
Okay, Sky.
Okay. It should be 4.
Yeah.
Hi, Sky. Bait nito, babe. Ito mo.
Good job, Sky.
Just basic info, which I
Hello.
don't really have it, but get your number.
Yes, Mama.
And you know,
Good job.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my. We're sorry that we're taking your babies. Okay, Sky.
No, I don't need your address. No, you don't have to put your address.
Sky, we're taking your baby. Sorry.
I didn't give it in case you wanted to contact you. They'll just ask.
They're gonna be fine, Mama.
Take care of them.
Yes.
They're gonna be fine, Mama.
Oh my gosh. Hey, calm down. This whole time. Okay, perfect. And then this is your APC paperwork. And basically, if you want to. Oh, you did.
200.
You did.
So, you're still here.
Yeah, that's me. Angela Sebastian. Yeah, that's me.
Ganda, no? Pag lumaki, Jess. Ganyan.
Yeah, thank you. And I'll just.
Pag lumaki sila, ganyan sila.
Thank you. And then I'll let you know.
Case na.
Jason, meron ako.
Sa my limit is only 2,000.
Anong
Look at that.
Oh, he calmed down. He really needed the love.
Hey, boy. How are you? Hi. Hi.
Are they all gonna live together? All together? Or raising them separately?
No, all together. These three? All together. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you're in, right?
Feel the wind in the trees in winter. Like a sweet lullaby, remember.
There you go.
Shy one? Who's the one who's...
This one. This one.
So this is gonna be Reggie.
Yeah. He's the big one, but he was the one that was half golden, black color. He's the bigger one. This one is the color.
you carry the other one?
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay. God bless.
Update pictures.
Yep.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Angelica.
Thank you. At ito na nga, guys. Oh. Say hi to... Is this Reggie?
No?
No?
Okay. Yun si Reggie.
So we thought it's gonna be two only. But turns out that we got three. They got three right here. Pero the future is bright. Kasi para mabait yung... magiging ganun lahat sila.
Mabait si Sky. Mabait yung mother.
Bakit mas mo lang din remodel ko?
There you go. Sige, magdadrive muna kami. See you later, guys.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first dog is...
Sino to?
Hindi ko alam kung sino-sino kayo. Sino ka? Reggie is in the house! Palakpakan naman dyan! Reggie is in the house! Ito, kilala ko ang mukha ni Reggie. Parang mukhang malungkot. Parang mukhang bagsak ang mukha.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
Sino yan?
That's what I'm
Aso?
on, yeah.
Okay.
Come give me something I can feel.
Lagyan ng barcode ko. Oh, ito naman. Si Nick.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Bye-bye. At isang dakot. Ano yan?
Iba yung mukha niya.
No, pahaba, no?
Dahil may iba mo kasi Reggie eh. Parang in-check eh, no? Sige.
Ay, magpunas kayo, ha?
Okay guys, ito na sila.
And tapos, dalawa
First.
lang binili mo.
First kain.
Good job, Nick.
Ayan na.
Ayun na.
Ay. Ba't kayo kumain ka? Di pa nagpipray yan.
Hindi pa nagpe-pray.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Ayun. Kanya.
Ayun.
Ubus na kasi doon.
Panchameter ka na lang muna.
Oo nga. Basta mapakain lang. Sanay daw sila sa dry.
Ano ba naman yan? Parang hindi man yung pinakakain doon.
Hindi talaga
Kawawa
pinakain.
naman.
Ang payat si Nick eh, no?
Oo. Oo. Lagyan mo dun. Kami, bebe ka.
Grabe naman kasing plato mo. Ay, nilalagay. Parang ano
Ito
yung
na, ito.
bulldog eh.
Kasi lalaki nga naman sila, magpapayat sila. Maganda ano mo. Nagagawa
Sige.
natin na insulated.
Ako talaga. Kaya muna kayo. Okay guys, second round.
Kahit ng pagkain, isang dakot eh.
Isang dako. Isang dako.
Isang dako. Tsaka diyan daw pag nakain, sanayin mo na hinahawakan, pati yung food para
Yung
hindi
po,
sila
yung po.
mag-aawa, hindi sila mag-grab.
Yung po.
Diba, parang hindi sila maano na inaagawan sila ng food. It's okay. It's okay. You're still hungry? Ayun. Oh, ayun.
Talaga naman.
Oh, Shindy.
It's okay, Ash.
Astro! Hi! It's Mommy! O, pero kita mo pag hindi siya pinipigilan. Dami.
Ngayon lang yan. Ikaw malaki.
Good job naman si Astro. Good boy.
Gusto pa, baby?
Boy. Good. Ay, tingnan mo mukha na ano siya, oh. Good boy, Astro. Good boy.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Pagalitan na si Astro. It's okay, Waffles. It's okay.
Tapos kami. Kami.
Anak, magkakaamuyan na kayo. Oh, ay, gusto nila. Gusto nila. Oh,
Nope,
isa ka.
no.
It's whatever you like. Turn this appetite into a club. I'm talking drink and smoke free, party all night. Come back, girl, what's up? Oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you.
What's this? What's this? What's this? No. This is Pismo. And this is Reggie. This is Reggie. Reggie and where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Naandalay
karangyaan